Jacob.
You guys sit inside the booth area. Let's sit there.
We're confused.
Sit down. Sit down.
No, he sits right here.
No, sit down.
No, he's supposed to be sitting at the end. Mommy. Happy birthday, Jacob. I'm Bruce Wayne. Yay.
Well, this is the Jacob. So this is the action cam. Jacob's point of view. My youngest son's actually his birthday.
It's really
Look
crazy.
over here, Jacob. Look normally. Look up here. Happy birthday, Jacob.
So we're on a secret mission